Well, when Lori came back, I really wanted to come because I saw the change in her life, because she had been to one previously. And then it came up to about a month and 2 weeks before, and I did not want to come. I had panic attacks, anxiety, fear. But our pastors, Pastor John and Linda, they really encouraged me to come. Especially Pastor Linda, she kept saying, you gotta go, just trust me, you gotta go. And I'm like, fine, I'll go, I'll do this. I committed, I'll go. And it has been a blessing. I mean, I was, the first night with bitterness, I'm free. Like, I have no more hatred. I love the people that I hated, and I just, it's amazing. And he delivered me of suicide and depression, and then it came to accusation, and that whole day I felt super sick. All day long, I felt like throwing up, and I knew something was going to happen, and it came to the abuses, the verbal abuse, sexual abuse, and all that abuse, and it all came out, and I'm free, and I feel awesome.